Matrices. In 1999, the Wachowski brothers directed a movie called The Matrix, a science fiction film which greatly influenced the Hollywood film production industry. Have you watched it before? Do you know why it is called The Matrix? What is a matrix anyway? In this video, we are going to find out answers to these questions. First, here is a matrix. Yes, this square-like thing with many numbers inside, this is a typical matrix. Each number in this matrix is called an entry. The number in the horizontal arrangement are called rows. So we have 3 rows in this matrix. The numbers in the vertical arrangement are called columns. So we have 3 columns in this matrix. The next thing we will wish to know is how do we name this matrix? So how to name a matrix? First, we will count the number of rows. See, this matrix has 3 rows. Next, we will count the number of columns. It has 3 columns. So the order of a matrix is simply the number of rows by the number of columns. So we call this matrix a 3 by 3 matrix. Now we have learned how to make a matrix. Let us see how many types of matrices there are. From the shape of matrix, they can be classified into 4 types. First, row matrix, a matrix with only 1 row. Column matrix, a matrix with only 1 column. Rectangular matrix, a matrix whose number of rows does not equal to the number of its columns. And square matrix, a matrix whose number of rows equals to the number of columns. And here they are. We have now learned the different types of matrices. So when can we conclude that 2 matrices are equal? This conclusion can only be drawn based on 2 conditions. First, they must be of the same order. And second, they must have the same value in all the entries. Only when both these conditions are met, we can say the 2 matrices are equal. So why do we study matrix? Matrix was first invented to solve simultaneous equations. The method was first developed between 300 BC and 200 AD and recorded in 9 chapters of the Mathematical Art, an ancient Chinese book. But the term matrix was only introduced in 1850s. Today, matrices are used in describing quantum mechanics, designing computer graphics, and even designing complicated dance steps. Now back to our first question. Why is the film called The Matrix? This film describes a future where humans are raised and kept in machines. The reality perceived by humans is just a simulated reality created by computers. Everything we see is created based on matrices. Everything we experience in our life is only happening in our minds. Thank you for watching the video.